Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this sound isn't licensed for commercial use on TikTok. So if you are getting this error as well, I will show you how to fix this. So first of all, what you have to do is just open your Play Store or App Store and in the search bar, search for TikTok and just make sure that you are using the latest version of TikTok application. If there is any update, just make sure to update. After updating, just open the TikTok application and now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on these three bars in the upper right corner and go for settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, tap on this first option account and you just have to tap on this switch to personal account. You will get this option, tap on this switch anyway and now your account is switched to personal. By changing this setting, now you can easily use commercial sound on your TikTok account. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.